we intend to partner with the other telecommunications providers immediately after the next general elections to invest at least 100 million United States dollars to improve our broadband services. And let us not forget that today, APUA is offering 10 megs of broadband for $75, the cheapest and the fastest in the Caribbean. So already the service is here. But unfortunately, the other two providers, they do not have the service because they're using a wireless service that is slow. So we'll bring them to the table after the next general elections and to put a package together in which we could have the universal provision of broadband services to all Antiguans and Barbudans.